Have you ever watched a movie in a theater with all the lights turned on? You can still see the movie, but it's not quite the same, right? Now imagine the lights dimming. Suddenly, your entire focus shifts to the screen. The experience becomes far more immersive. Did you know you can create that exact experience while editing in Lightroom Classic? This feature is called Lights Out mode. Just press the L key once to dim the Lightroom interface and bring more attention to your image. Press it again, and everything except the photo disappears. It's perfect for checking composition, evaluating your edits, or simply showcasing your photographs in a more immersive way. And when you're done, press L once more to return to the normal workspace. A simple shortcut, but one that can completely change how you view your images.